my name is Kim and welcome back to Reps. I'm here at Uncle Roger's, okay, FUIYOH, okay, here at the Pavilion, Kuala Lumpur, and I'm gonna try their famous nasi goreng. I'm gonna eat all their food, so stay tuned. I'm here at the end of the queue, you can see. So it's about more than about 60 people queuing up to try Uncle Roger's restaurant today here at the Pavilion Kuala Lumpur. So I'm gonna wait. So now it's 12:50. Okay, it's about 12:50. So okay, with my Omega watch.
5 minutes later.
I finally reached the other side of the queue. Okay, so as you can see behind me, there are people waiting to try Uncle Roger's famous nasi goreng.
15 minutes later.
Okay, now it's 1:15 and I'm right in front of the entrance of Uncle Roger's restaurant. So yeah, soon to be my turn. Okay everybody, my food has arrived, my drinks. This will be the iced lemon tea and this will be the passionista, okay? So let me put that inside. So the first one here will be the kimchi fried rice, okay? I can smell the kimchi, okay? And this will be the duck breast fried rice. And this one will be the spicy fried rice with the roasted chicken on top. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try each and one of the fried rice. These are the highly recommended fried rice here at the FUIYOH. It's Uncle Roger's restaurant. Okay, so and plus their special sambal, which is chili sauce. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try their kimchi fried rice first. Okay, so let's try this one. Okay, I'm gonna try the kimchi fried rice. Okay, let me take this Uncle Roger's approved what do you call this label on the kimchi fried rice. Okay, let me try this fried rice. Let me try the rice first. This is kimchi fried rice. Not bad. I can feel some spice, but not really that strong, but just a little bit on the back of the tongue. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna try with the fried egg. They definitely cook the fried egg fresh. Okay, not one of those already pre-cooked and then they just reheat it. So the fried egg is freshly made. They put some there's some scrambled egg inside. Not a very strong taste of the kimchi, but you can still taste a little bit of it. Definitely not bad. Okay. Okay, let me go to the next one will be the spicy chicken fried rice. Okay, the next one I'm gonna try will be the spicy fried rice with roasted chicken on top. So let me try the roasted chicken. Not bad. Roasted chicken tastes good. What is this? The fried egg. Not bad. Not as spicy that I expected. That really spicy that sticks into your tongue. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some of this chili sauce on the rice. Hmm. Chili sauce tastes good. It has that. It's light, not too strong. Yeah, not too strong. So, but it still have that really slow spice that builds up on your tongue in your mouth. But tastes really good. Okay, so let me try again one of this roasted chicken with the fried rice. This is not bad. This is not bad too. I don't know why people keep on complaining that the food here sucks, but actually their food here is really good. I mean, not bad, lah. Not bad. Portion wise, it's pretty reasonable. Okay, good. Okay, so I'm going for my next one. Okay, the next one will be the smoked duck with fried rice. Okay, okay, let me try the smoked duck fried rice. Okay, let me try the rice first. Okay. Oh, they even have this those fried shallots. Okay, I like shallots. Shallot tastes good. You see, the shallot they made, it's not dry. It's still very moist. The shallots, the ring shallot that they made. Okay. Okay. One more ring. Okay. It's not dry. Okay. Now, let's try the duck, the smoked duck. The smoked duck tastes really good. It blends well with the rice. Plus they have this the topping of some spring onions. Okay, let me get one more of the duck. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. Let me drown it with my. This is my favorite. Okay, the ice lemon tea. And what I like about it, I can bring this container here at home and I can reuse it. Now it's not that there's a flimsy plastic type. It's like really good quality plastic you can bring home as part of your. Some of them you can reuse it, and you can also use it as a souvenir. Okay, it's pretty cool actually. Okay, so I have two more special dishes that's coming. Okay, so don't go away. Marketing manager, her name is Bella Lovely. Okay, so she gave me her card, and then she recommended me these two dishes. This is their garlic shrimp. Okay, so I'm gonna try their garlic shrimp. Not bad. The shrimp is not overcooked. Let me try the fried rice. It's a little bit spicy, but not that spicy. Yeah, the rice is a bit dry, but some people like the moist fried rice, and some people like the kind of like dry texture of the fried rice. So it depends on your preference, what kind of fried rice you like. So here at Uncle Roger, they do a little bit drier, but not too dry. But you know, but not too moist. Okay. It's not bad. Now I can taste the spice. Okay, they have all these chili flakes inside. Not bad, not bad. This is not bad for me. No, it would taste better if you put the sambal. Okay, so next one I'm gonna taste will be the unagi fried rice. Okay, the last dish, okay, will be the unagi fried rice. Okay, it's basically Japanese style eel. Okay, so I'm gonna try. Wait here, I got 2 spoons. I got the wrong. Here, I'll try it. Okay, not bad. The unagi is cooked well. Unagi is cooked really well. The fried rice basically tastes almost the same as all the other fried rice except the kimchi. So the only thing that is different will be their toppings. So their topping, this one's topping will be the unagi, okay, which is the eel, so Japanese style. Okay. This is good, not too bad as well. Okay. So the next one will be this one. They gave me as a bonus free. Okay, so it's the crispy chicken. So let's try the crispy chicken. Wow, this is definitely really good. The crispy chicken is good. Okay, so this crispy chicken definitely, if you want to, it tastes really good. Okay, not bad. I'm not really a favor of like these like mayonnaise, you know, but the crispy chicken is very tasty. Okay, so I really enjoyed my time here at FUIYOH. It's Uncle Roger's restaurant. I like the iced tea. Okay. Okay. So thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification button, and see you again next time. Thank you for supporting my channel. Yep.